Good morning, my prepper posse. This is what you wake up to in the morning. Man, to have a stream running through your land is like heaven. Shout out to all the people that have streams running through their land. There's fish running around in here. I don't know if you can see them. There we go. Look at that. In the morning, get to see all this. Thank you to DWD Jeepster. Shout out for letting us, hang out and park on the land. This will really give us a good test of what it's going to be like living off grid. Shout out to all my people in Florida that are, hunkering down for Ian coming through as well. We may get some from, coming straight up to Alabama. We'll see. Oh, I'm just doing a little pan around to show you what time it is up here. It's so beautiful. Yeah, we came up here. This is not our land. This belongs to another, YouTuber and friend that I've known for 100 years. And we were down at his mom's, so you saw his mother in the other video. We stopped and picked him up some supplies so that he has more supplies up here. And we brought him up to him. He's playing his music in the background. He's cutting down a couple more trees so we get full sun on the bus. It's very nice. He's got the tools. He got the tools, this guy. So he's going to level out some land for me so I get this whole area. Right here, he's going to take these down so that I can get the full sun. Very nice, very nice. Let him work. We got to clean up the bus. That's what we're doing today. Cleaning, and he wants to have a bonfire, which I'm excited about. We're going to have a nice bonfire going on, all the dry stuff. But yeah, he's got mountainous land, which we have flat land. So he's got all this timber. And the dog is Tank. He's so happy to be free right now and to relax. He's just chilling in his bed. He's happy. Tank, are you happy? Tank, you're happy, aren't you? What a stressful ride for these animals. But yeah. Oh, chilling. And I hear the cat over here. We got the cat outside too, so we can clean. Yeah, he's happy to be out too. But this land though, whoa, that's a pretty sight in the morning. Very pretty sight. Nice sun. But anyway, we're safe. All is well. Thank you for all your wonderful comments. We appreciate you. I can't wait to explore, but there's a lot to do to get set up, and we got to go make some money. That's another thing. There's money to be made up here, so we're going to pick up some gigs. Bank some cash and figure out what we're doing from here. Have a great day, and don't forget to play. See you.